Middle ear myoclonus is a rare cause of objective or subjective tinnitus caused by repetitive contraction of tensor tympani muscle and stapedius muscle. Patient typically describe as clicking, tapping, fluttering, or machine gun tinnitus. Traditionally, management ranges from reassurance and medical therapy to the surgical treatment leading to tenotomy of the middle ear muscles, which is irreversible. Recently, intratympanic botulinum toxin injection has emerged as effective and reversible intermediate treatment option for this middle ear myoclonic tinnitus. Why botulinum toxin? Because it blocks acetylcholine release at neuromuscular junction and produce temporary chemical denervation, and it reduces involuntary muscle contraction. So that lead to reduction in stapedial or tensor tympani muscle spasm and improvement in tinnitus. That also preserve the hearing. Rationale for intratympanic route. Advantage are it is localized effect. There is minimal systemic exposure and it's having reversible action about 3 to 6 months, and that about immediate surgical intervention like tenotomy or other interventions. Indication of this injection is it should be confirmed case of middle ear myoclonus. Symptom mainly having distressing and persistent, and failure of conservative treatment like benzodiazepine, carbamazepine and reassurance, and patient reluctant for tenotomy or patient want to some medical injection. So you can give that case as a Botox injection. Diagnosis you required clinical history like machine gun, butterfly fluttering, Morse code, or rhythmic irregular type of the tinnitus that triggered by stress, loud sound, swallowing, and yawning that usually not synchronous with the pulse. So this is the clinical symptomatology. And otological examination, you have to see the rhythmic tympanic membrane movement that best seen under operating microscope or endoscope. There is anteroposterior movement or posterior tugging during the tinnitus. That is the seen in the under microscope. And audiometry usually shows normal hearing or sometimes mild conductive hearing loss. But classically, you can see these tympanometry showing sawtooth or spike-like rhythmic changes. That is classical in myoclonic tinnitus. This long-time based tympanometry is ideal for this type of tinnitus, and this is the most useful objective test for the myoclonic tinnitus. Injection technique. Under local anesthesia, under microscopic guidance, you give this injection about 5 to 10 unit. First make this dilution about 5 to 10 unit per ml. Then take 1 ml in the insulin syringe, and that you have to give through the posterior-inferior quadrant most commonly, and give this botulinum about 1 ml in the middle ear. That botulinum toxin diffuses to middle ear muscles, and you just rotate the ear most dependent position posterior superiorly so that will act on the muscles. And another method, you can inject this botulinum toxin under microscope just after elevating the tympanomeatal flap, and give in particular muscle about zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.5 ml in each muscle, and reposition the flap back. These can be done. So this is the specific technique for giving the botulinum toxin in the middle ear.